Welcome back everyone to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your Facebook monetization in Nigeria. Yes, in Nigeria. For those who don't know, Nigeria is now eligible for Facebook monetization, but yeah, it's not open to everyone yet. I feel like this is a gradual process by Facebook themselves, but because I've been able to do mine, I will show you how to go about it in this video, so please do well to watch it to the very end. Guys, yes, like I said, Facebook is monetized in Nigeria, and I've been able to set up my stars, my subscription, and my in-stream ads. So this same process I'm going to show you is going to work for both the stars, subscription, in-stream ads, and even your reels and bonuses. These are the different options to which you can earn on Facebook. Let me mention that again. You can earn through your stars, you can earn through subscriptions, you can earn through in-stream ads, through reels and bonuses. So what that means is that, for example, how you will earn on stars is if you do live videos, people can gift you stars, and even when you post normal videos, there's always an icon below your video that tells people that send a gift to this person or support this person's work. That is what stars are all about. Then for subscription, that means people can subscribe to you monthly. They just want to maybe put their own to how they can gift you monthly, so they can decide to just subscribe to you, probably 5,000, 10,000 naira, and every month end you get this money paid to you by Facebook. So the other is in-stream ads, which is the current one I'm on. Like, I've been able to monetize my in-stream ads, and I'm going to show you the process. Then the next is reels. You can earn on reels, and you can also earn on bonuses. But for reels and bonuses, Facebook isn't going to invite you themselves. So what you're going to be seeing next is how I was able to go through this process. The same process works for all, like the same setup process for from stars, for subscription, and for in-stream ads. So once you start building your page or your profile account, remember you can monetize both your profile account and your page. For those who don't know what a profile account is, your profile account used to be the friends account you had, the one that had a limit of 5,000 friends. Right now you can convert it to followers if you switch to professional mode. Once you switch this profile to professional mode, you can now start, everything switches to followers, and you can now start earning, or you can now start getting more than the usual 5,000. While for your page is usually, it used to be like a business account before now, where you open this through your profile. Right now these two can actually be monetized. It's just that there are some limits to what you can do on profile, because you can't add admin, and if you are in an ineligible country, you will not be able to monetize your profile, because you can't add an admin who is in an eligible country. So there are some limitations with profile account, but if you're in an eligible country, you can monetize. So I've been able to monetize my profile, while my page, my main page, is still showing me not ineligible. So what are the things I've been able to monetize? Let me mention them all over again. I've been able to monetize my stars, I've been able to monetize subscriptions and in-stream ads. For the in-stream ads, that one was monetized this June. I think stars and subscription currently in Nigeria, that's like the fastest you can monetize those ones. But for in-stream ads, you need to meet up with 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes of watch time. So before you start this process, you will need your TIN, your tax identification number. In a previous video I've done here, which I'll link in my description box, you will see how you can go about getting your tax identification number. Another thing you are going to be needing is your bank details here. If you don't have a dollar account yet, I will advise you to quickly do that process. I'm talking to people living in Nigeria right now. Even if you are still in an ineligible country, it's good for you to also know these processes, so that once you see them tell you to set up on your page, you can go ahead with this. Then the next is your SWIFT code. You're going to need your bank SWIFT code. So if you're using a Nigerian bank, try as much as possible to get the SWIFT code of your bank. So now let me show you how I was able to set up my own, because on the 1st of June, 2nd of June, I just saw that they told me to set up. Usually I check my professional dashboard every time. So yeah, your professional dashboard is like where you see all your back end, everything, what your page is like, how your page is growing. It is called a professional dashboard. So I advise to always check. I check my professional dashboard almost every day, if not every day, like every day, because I want to check my insights, I want to check my reach, I want to check how my videos are doing so that I will know where to put in more effort. So on the 2nd of June, I was going through my professional dashboard and I realized that my in-stream ads was written setup. If your own is on your stars, if your stars have been written setup, you can use the same process. If it is your subscription that has been written setup, you will use, it's the same process you're going to use for all. Just ensure you have your TIN and your bank details. It's a very simple process, but I'll show you everything right here. So guys, you can see my professional dashboard and I have my stars on subscription already monetized. So the next is in-stream ads and you can see where they wrote setup. So I moved to setting it up and you can see that I've met all the requirements. Everything has been ticked. So I go to get started. So once you click get started, it will ask you to add your tax information. So you go ahead, you're not a US citizen, so you say no. Then you click the no to, because you don't have any agents working with you. You go to next. So here is what is very, very important for people who say Nigeria is not monetized, because I actually entered Nigeria here and it was approved. I'm going to show you how they approved it at the end of this video. So once you do that, you enter in your TIN, you enter in your address, you put in all the information they're asking you. Just keep clicking next, you know. So once you get here, you put in your name as signature. That's your name you're going to put in as signature here, and you click next. So once you click next, this is going to show this everything you entered in is going to show you like your certificate of tax. So you go through all of this and go to the end and click submit form. Once you click submit form, it's going to take like a few seconds, you know, before it now tells you that your what is it called is being reviewed. So here, click done. Just click done here. It's bringing your tax profile. So once you click done, it will tell you that your application is being reviewed. So that is how you go about it. So guys, you can see how easy that was. So once you set this up, you're going to see that they will tell you that they will review this for 2 weeks. Mine didn't get to 2 weeks. Yes, as at the time I was doing the setup, I was hoping, yes, it now told me in review. So 5 days later, it was added to my tools. When it's added to your tools, that means that you are now earning, or you will be earning from your in-stream ads. Yes, so in-stream ads is like putting videos in between your putting adverts in between your videos so that you can also earn from Facebook. So you could see there that my reels and bonuses, they said it's by invitation. So probably if I get to a particular number of reels, they will invite me to also earn from my reels. This was how I was able to go about Facebook monetization in Nigeria. Like I said, if you are yet to get to this process, I want to believe that it's a gradual process. Facebook has said they will monetize Nigeria in June. So since we are still in June, a date wasn't really given, a particular date wasn't given. So I feel like it's a gradual thing for them. So all I can say is be patient, your own will actually come. But while waiting, please try as much as possible to engage your page. Keep engaging your page. Do not stop engaging your page, because that's the only way you can easily get visibility, you can get followers, and you can meet up with all their requirements. So if this video has been helpful, please do want to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I teach YouTube and content creating tips that will help you in your journey. All right, thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye.